Creating new notebooks can either make or break a handwriting app. For a free app, wellnote is very impressive with all the basic templates you'll want: dotted, lined, and squared. The fun part is that you get full customization, the kind you get in Notability, with an option for line spacing, any background color you want, even playing around with color opacity. That's a new one. It doesn't result in a transparent page though, which is what I was expecting, whatever that might look like. In practice, it only makes the color lighter, so nothing too dramatic. You also get other templates as well, for writing, study, planning, and music. I've never used any of these in any handwriting note-taking app. The templates always feel unusable for some reason, so I always find myself looking for actual planners or buying digital notebooks.